Alright, so today it's pretty windy out, so you may not hear this well, but anyways, I'm going to show you today about putting a clip on your weed whacker. Now, this is for use with a harness, of course, to ease the weight of holding the machine while in operation. And oftentimes harnesses don't come with a clip. It's separate, as is the case with the harness that I've bought. It does not include a clip. So I made one. I took some scrap metal here, 16 gauge, leftover piece from my Jeep project. You can watch the video on that, where I was replacing the rockers on a Jeep. And also, I put a rubber bushing in there. A little hard to see, maybe. There you go. So I've got that rubber, thick rubber in there. And that actually comes from a leftover tire I've got sitting here with an old wheel and tire. So I cut a piece of rubber out of there. Makes for a really nice bushing. It's grippy and it works great. Then I drilled one hole in there and ran a tap through it to fit this 832 machine screw. And so this way you can always remove the clip, you can tighten it, you can loosen it. And then I drilled one more hole through it, and that's where you put one of these in there, and that's where your harness can clip onto. So yeah, there you go, a nice swivelly little clip harness attachment point for your weed whacker. So yeah, just want to show you that, and you can do that yourself as well. All you need are spare parts. So thanks for watching, and see you again next time. You know, liking and subscribing really helps a small channel, so thank you so much.